Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Jotform in website. Jotform is one of the best form builders online, and I will be showing you how to incorporate a form that was created on Jotform onto your website. The website builder that I'll be using for this example is Google Sites. So I'll simply go onto Google Sites and select blank site. And by the way, the steps that I'm about to show you applies to any website builder. So after you have opened your website, you want to open another tab and you're going to go onto jotform.com. From here, you can choose to either create a form from scratch or you can use one of their templates. For this example, I will be using one of their templates. Now let's say, for example, the template that I want to use is their registration template. So for example, let's say I were to select their registration template, or better yet, their feedback template. All I would need to do is simply select the template. Then from here, I can tap on Use Template in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you can add elements or other questions to the template by tapping on Add Form Element from the top left hand corner. From here, if you would require persons to enter their full name, email address, or any one of these elements, you can quickly drag and place it on your form right here. So for example, I can simply drag and place this wherever on the form, as you can see right here. And if you would like to remove one of these options, you can do that by simply selecting the option, then you can tap on remove. Now after you have created your form and it is to your liking, you're going to simply tap on publish in the top right hand corner right here. So you're going to tap on publish. After tapping on publish, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select embed. Once you have selected embed, I want you to tap on copy code. And by the way, if you are using a WordPress website builder, all you'll need to do is select WordPress and tap on copy code, and you can copy the HTML code right there. For this example, I'll just be copying this code. Then I'm going to go back into Google Sites and I'm going to tap on embed from the left hand menu option, from the right hand menu option better yet, and I'm going to paste in the code right here. After I've pasted in the code, I'm going to tap on next. Then you can see the form right there and I'll tap on insert. Once it has been created, I'm going to adjust the appearance of it by simply pulling along the boxes right here. So I'll do that real quick. Once everything is normal, I'm going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. From here, all I'll need to do is give the domain a name. So I'm just going to give it a random name real quick. Then I'm going to tap on publish. Once it has been published, if I were to tap on view, you can see the form right here. And if I were to fill out the form, for example, tap right there and just type in something random, then select I am human. And from here, all I would need to do is simply tap on the cache. So you can see right here, clicks on similar images. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Then tap on verify. And from here, I'll input an email address. Then tap on submit. Once it has been submitted, if I were to go back into Jotform, all I would need to do now is tap on Jotform logo in the top left hand corner. Once on this page, you can see that we have a feedback. And all you'll need to do is simply tap on inbox. Once you have selected inbox, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see the comment that the person has left. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.